So we're going to start with our basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Forward break. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. From here, after we've done the check, we're going to go into our 3 cha-chas going backward, forward for the lady. Cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. We do a back rock, going into our butterfly. Thank you. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1. One more. 2, 3, 4, and 1. We do the underarm turn for the lady. 2, 3, 4, and 1. We learn the inside underarm turn for the lady. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Dropping the arm. We do the switch turn. 3, 4, and 1. We go right into the crossbody lead. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1. We're going to do a crossover, but we're going to do that variation. 2, 3, going backward. 4 and 1. 2 and 3. 4 and 1. We do our back rock. Forward. We do another check, and then we can end it there with a lot of variations afterward. Very nice. Thank you.